And opening to this summit now that the energy is brilliant. We have almost full house. So it's only fair that I call someone who can give a grand opening to this summit. I want to call someone who's very successful at the corporate career. Then later she transitioned into nonprofit ecosystem to better understand and support entrepreneur. And she's doing that flawlessly up till today. Well, with leadership experience across industries like technology, telecom, media, and broadcasting. She's been leading senior roles throughout. And of course, she is a driving force for TIE Bangalore. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as I call upon our Executive Director for TIE Bangalore, Ritu Sharma. Can we hear it, please?
Thanks, Suvi, for the generous introduction. I'm just going to take a couple of minutes to talk about the context for this D2C summit. Just give me a second. I thought this was already. Hi, good morning, everyone, and a very, very warm welcome to all our founders, investors, and ecosystem partners, brand builders, and industry leaders who are joining us today for the TIE Bangalore D2C summit. And this is the first one. At TIE, we have always believed in one simple idea. Entrepreneurship has the power to transform economies, create jobs, and solve meaningful problems. And today, few sectors represent that opportunity as powerfully as the D2C the D2C ecosystem. India is at a fascinating inflection point. The Indian consumer has fundamentally changed. They are more digital, more aspirational, more discerning, and increasingly willing to discover and trust new brands. Distribution has been democratized. A founder sitting in Bangalore, Jaipur, Indore, or any part of India can today build a national brand from day one. This is a remarkable shift. But at the same time, the D2C landscape is evolving rapidly. The first phase was all about disruption, launch fast, acquire customers, raise capital, grow aggressively. The next phase is very different. Today, the conversations and questions are sharper. Can you build a profitable brand? Can you retain customers, not just acquire them? Can you stand out in a world with infinite choice? Can you build trust, supply chain resilience, omni-channel presence, and brand loyalty? And perhaps the biggest force reshaping all of this is technology, especially AI. AI is changing how brands understand consumers, personalize journeys, optimize marketing spends, forecast demand, manage supply chains, and even create products faster. The brands that will win in the next decade will not just be the consumer-first brands. They will be AI native, data-driven, and operationally intelligent. Quick commerce is changing the purchase behavior. Social commerce is redefining discovery. Content and community are becoming as important as products. Offline and online are no longer separate worlds. Consumer expectations are moving faster than even before. So we asked ourselves, why are we doing this summit? Because it's not just a conversation about D2C. This is a conversation about the future of consumer businesses in India. TIE Bangalore sits at the intersection of entrepreneurship, capital, technology, and ecosystem building. We work closely with founders, investors, corporates, and policymakers, and we felt that there was a strong need for a platform that brings together the people shaping this transformation. A platform not just for inspiration, but for practical insight, not just for networking, but for meaningful connections, not just to celebrate success stories, but to openly discuss what is really taking to build and scale and endure customer brands today. This summit is about helping founders learn faster, connect smarter, and scale stronger. Because if India is to build consumer brands of the future, the conversations need to start right here, with honesty, ambition, collaboration, and ecosystem support. And there could be no better city than Bangalore to host this conversation. a city where technology, innovation, entrepreneurship, and capital comes together in powerful ways. Over the course of today, I encourage all of you to engage deeply. Please ask difficult questions, challenge assumptions, build relationships, explore partnerships, because the next breakout consumer brand in India might as well be in this room. Thank you so much for all, once again, for being here today, and I wish you all a super fantastic summit. Thank you. Apologies, you will see me for another minute, I promise you. But it gives me great honor to introduce the next fireside chat and speakers. And just jumping right in, as we talk about the future of consumer brands, it is equally important to recognize that great businesses do not grow in isolation. They are shaped by the ecosystems around them, the infrastructure, the policy environment, the digital backbone, and increasingly, the cities that enable innovations to thrive. Bangalore has always been at the forefront of entrepreneurship and innovation. And as consumer businesses evolve, the role of urban ecosystems becomes even more critical. From logistics and commerce infrastructure to enabling a vibrant business environment for founders to scale. Which brings us perfectly to our opening fireside chat. We're privileged to have with us Mr. Maheshwar Rao, the Chief Commissioner, Greater Bangalore Authority, sorry about that, whose leadership in shaping Bangaluru's urban ecosystem is helping define how cities can become stronger enablers of business growth and innovation. Joining him in conversation is Venk Krishnan, our very own TiE Bangalore president, but apart from that, a very respected entrepreneur, investor, and ecosystem leader who brings a founder's perspective to what it takes and scale enduring business. Together, they will explore the important theme, City as a Platform, how Bangalore is powering the next wave of consumer brands. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Maheshwar Rao and Venk Krishnan on stage. Thank you.